You're probably aware that today's buyers hold all of the power when making a purchasing decision, as they're doing some of their research online. So, you should ask yourself, have you really adapted your marketing plan to match the way today's customers shop and buy? Do you know that market research can make your business profitable? Do you know what a market research is? Many entrepreneurs make the mistake early on of thinking that they know what their customers want without even asking them. This can result in some very expensive mistakes later on. In order to find out what exactly it is that your customers want, you must undertake a process called market research. Market research is the collection and analysis of information about customers, competitors, and the effectiveness of marketing activities via surveys. Whilst market research is crucial for business startup, it's also essential for established businesses to increase profits. Market research is an accurate information about the marketplace, the target market, which is your customers, and the competition. It allows the development of a successful marketing plan. Marketing research can give a business a picture of what kinds of new products and services may bring a profit. For products and services already available, marketing research can tell companies whether they are meeting their customers' needs and expectations. By researching the answers to specific questions, small business owners can learn whether they need to change their package design or tweak their delivery methods, and even whether they should consider offering additional services. Failure to do market research before you begin a business venture or during its operation is like driving a car from Texas to New York without a map or street signs. You have to know which direction to travel and how fast to go. A good market research plan indicates where and who your customers are. It will also tell you when they are most likely and willing to purchase your goods or use your services. When you conduct marketing research, you can use the results either to create a business and marketing plan or to measure the success of your current plan. That's why it's important to ask the right questions, in the right way, of the right people, because research done poorly can steer your business in the wrong direction.